Okay guys, I got most of the trunk out. If you guys see, everything is mostly out. See how bad the trunk was. See how those pieces are looking pretty rough. So some of these pieces here, then we got that big piece I cut off. Let me show you guys inside the trunk. Okay guys, I'm here standing inside the trunk. So far, as you guys know, the whole trunk is out so far, other than that big piece back here, which I have to hold on right now because I need to brace the trunk before I can even have that piece off, just because I don't want anything start shifting and then causing more problem down the line. Once I have the trunk all braced, probably sometimes this week I'll have it done, then I'll be able to go ahead and cut that big piece back here that's holding both rear quarter panel together. Then I have all those small pieces I got cut off. Have a nice clean down here, blast all here. Those little pieces gotta come off. This piece gotta come off. Back here on the inside, I'm gonna have to drill the welder that's holding that piece with that piece together. I'm gonna have to drill those welder out so that piece can come off, and then that piece will be able to come off, so I can have the trunk go under this piece here, because it's the whole trunk. It go from over here and then slide right underneath that back piece. So yeah, YouTube, and also on the blasting, you guys already know everything is mostly blast, other than I gotta go over one last time, touch anything I need to touch. Also, I have the inner side of the rear blast. I still miss a couple of spots though, so I gotta go back one last time. That piece is coming off, so I'm not worried about blasting that piece because of these here. I don't like it, so I can repair it, but I want that car to be rust free. So I want when somebody put their hands in there, they're able to feel all that shit that back here. So the outside of the wheel well will have to come off. I'm thinking of replacing both rear quarter panel, just because down here the middle is a little weak. Other than that, it's a whole strong piece, but we'll see what happens down the line. I mean, whatever I decide, might end up replacing both of them, because the driver's side have to be replaced. You guys see how I can show you on the outside, but from the inside you can tell. See how this is a round curve, and then see how straight line this is. So this here, it's the wrong year they have on here. You guys can see where they had it welded. So this is a brand new piece. There's the tag on it. So I'm gonna replace it from here. Our whole complete full quarter panel I'm gonna put on here too. So little by little. So yeah, YouTube, that's what I got for you guys. And my phone probably running out of space right now, so let me cut this short, and I'll see you guys in the next one.